Jai Hind, I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Hope you are fit and fine. Today in this video, I'm going to do the exercise question of the unit Digital Presentation for class 9 and the subject code is 402 IT. Now, we'll do the question on the topics which are discussed here is slide editing, next is cut, copy, paste, undo, restore operation, and slide text paragraph formatting, creating presentation using templates, insert, duplicate, and delete slides. These are the topics and there is a question. We'll do the question on the basis of this one. If you have the new book of Saraswati publication, you can open the page number 431. The first question is, what type of text formatting can you do with the font group command? See what kind we can do. Generally we can do the font size, font type, bold, italic, and underline. We can do with this. Now the next question is, write the text selection method for word, sentence, and whole paragraph. See what can we do. For word, we can simply double click on the PowerPoint text or words, and in sentence we can hold CTRL and click on sentence which we want to highlight or select. Next is whole paragraph. With the mouse pointer in a paragraph or triple click will do if the paragraph is selected. Now the next question is question number 3 is differentiate between increase font size and decrease font size command. See the command for increase font size is CTRL plus the sign, it is sign, and next is decreasing font size, simply would the CTRL plus this open. Very good. Now the next question is question number 4 is name 3 technical terms regarding text effects. The 3 technical term is one is outline, shadow, and reflection. These are the technical terms that we use in the regarding the text effects. Now the next question is write down the function of the following keys. There are some keys are here, question number 5, and we have to write the function of this one. First is CTRL plus V. This is used for paste. Now the CTRL plus X, it is used to cut a particular sentence. Now the next is CTRL plus C, it is used to copy. The next is CTRL plus Shift plus C, it is format pointers. Now the next is CTRL plus spacebar to clear text formatting. Now the CTRL plus Z justify means simply we can do any sentence line, and the next is CTRL plus M to insert a title slides only. If you want to add the title slide, then we can simply do CTRL plus M. Now the next question is question number 6 is what is template? The answer is this is a theme plus some content such as award certificate, sale presentations, classroom lessons, a chart for organization, and it contains the layout, themes, colors, themes, font themes, etc., and background style, and even contents are added there. Means this is a template. Now the next we'll do in the same video. We are doing the next exercise number 440. Page number is 440 in Saraswati publication. You can open, and this question would be based on formatting using fill colors, outline, shape effect, and quick style, PowerPoint themes. The first question is what is shape effect? The answer is this is a visual effect of shapes like shadow, glow, reflections, or 3D rotation. This is the shape effects. Now the next question is what is quick style? Now the answer is these are the combination of different formatting options and are displayed in a thumbnail in a various quick style galleries. The next question number 3 is where can you apply theme in a presentation? The answer is in design tab it is available. The next question is question number 4. Write 2 differences between templates and themes. The differences between templates and themes are templates and themes. Now the templates in it have a definite structure. Now the next is it is used to build a similar in a layout or similar. Now the next is in a theme it do not have a specific structures. Now the next point is it is used to brand site with logos and colors. These were the different basic difference between templates and themes. With this in if you want to be connect with me, you can go through the social media handles X and now with this in thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.